Hey, how's it all going? Ranger Nick here. Have I got a treat for you today? We're cooking kangaroo balls. The best part about cooking kangaroo balls is once they're cooked, they hop onto your plate. Now this is a real beauty, and you'll also find it in my recipe book, Radio Recipe Collection. She's a ripper. All right, so what I've got here is some kangaroo mince, finely diced potato, finely diced onion. If you'd like to add any other vegetables to it, go right ahead. We've got a cackleberry and a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning, and of course your dirty old tomato sauce as a ketchup. How's that? You're funny, Ranger. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is don the glove, and I do apologise to any gentlemen that are over 40 years of age out there. They seem to cringe when I pull on a glove, but I'm not a doctor. You're pretty safe, boys. Right, now, last time I had an examination like that done, I asked the doctor if he could put 2 fingers in there. And he said, "Are you for real?" I said, "Yes, I'd like a second opinion." Righto, now I've got those on, we're going to start adding all the bits. All right, so in goes the spuds. Onion, woo, runaway egg. Now chicken am a useful bird, a little boy once said, because you can eat him before he's born and after he am dead. Thanks for that one, Mrs. Sten. Drop that cackleberry in there. And a little bit of seasoning to taste. I like my salt and pepper. It's just a plain and simple thing, always adds lovely flavours to rissoles and any meals you're cooking. So I guess it's old school, but I do like the simple things in life. And some salt, lovely. Righto, now what we're going to do is use our elbow grease and just keep working all of that until it comes together nicely and whole so we can roll it into little balls. So it wasn't quite the kangaroo balls you're expecting. I'm sorry if I've let anyone down, but I think you'll find this recipe a little more appetising than the other. Righto, so we've brought that all together. It looks like it's going to hold a ball. That looks pretty good. And I've greased an oven here. So I've got a well-greased camp oven here. All I need to do is grab a ball of mince, handful of mince, make it into a little ball just like thus, and plop it in the oven. And keep going until we fill that oven with kangaroo balls. Everyone think you're hopping mad. Righto, and lucky last, straight in there. So they're just arranged in there quite simply. Blump, blump, blump. We've got this lovely little ball of balls. And the last thing we need to do is hit them with a bit of dead horse. So we're just going to go squirt, 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 and squirt. There you are. Now it does look like roadkill, doesn't it? Now all we have to do now is throw this on the heat. So once again, I've got a sheet of tin down here. That's to stop the moisture on the ground from putting my coals out. So if the ground or the grass is wet, you'll lose a lot of heat just because of the moisture. All right, so we've got the sheet of tin down. We're gonna put a nice load of coals there, and then load the lid of our campfire or Spin Effects camp oven. All right, so we don't want to overheat the base. Want around about half a post hole shovel of fresh coals. Plop that oven straight on top, and a good heaping helping on the lid. And half an hour from now, we'll be tucking into, or probably more like 20 minutes actually, 20 minutes from now, we'll be tucking into a feed of kangaroo balls. How's that sound? Lovely, you can tell your mum, isn't it? Yeah, I'll tell you what we'll do, and we'll eat our kangaroos, because when they're cooked, they hop onto the plate. Righto, so let's cut one of them out. We've got a lovely little kangaroo ball there. Oh, look at that, all the veggies to go. It's going to be damn well hot, so let's see if I can get a bit in this pie hole of mine. Can't say I'm a fan of kangaroo, but with all the veggies through and a bit of dead horse on top, I can hop into one of them.